Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Woo. Welcome back. So today we will be doing barbecue chicken ring. Of course, this is cooked chicken. The sauce that the season that I used to cook the chicken, I will link it above for you guys to know which seasoning I use. Yes. So I did the seasoning on the channel so you guys can see it. So with this is the cooked chicken. Yes, you can shred your chicken on whatever. I cut mine in little pieces, of course. Yes. So I am gonna add a little bit of parsley flakes to it. Now, I normally have a problem with that, so I'm gonna take the cover off. Yes, put a little parsley flakes. Yes, and onion and garlic was cooked up with it. So you can do yours raw, or you can cook it up to get more flavor. You can add it thyme or whatever, but you guys will see what I did add it to the seasoning. So I am now going to add barbecue sauce. This is the hint of honey barbecue sauce. I love this sauce. And then this thing, I was opening the wrong part. And this is really good. I love this barbecue. Not so much a barbecue fan, but when I go for barbecue, I go for this one. And we're doing a cup of barbecue sauce. So 1 cup. Gonna add it in here. And then I'm gonna mix everything together. Mix it up. This should be nice. This should be really nice. Yes, and yes. So I'm going to put this to the side, and then I'm going to do the setup for the other part. So this is a croissant. This is the croissant, and I'm going to cut it up in triangular pieces to see if I can get it how I want it in the ring form. So I'm going to cut it up in pieces. And then I'm going to add the other things to it, the chicken and the cheese. And then we're going to bake it away. So I'm trying to roll it out. I might flour the surface for them not to stick, because if you're doing it on a flat surface, I would still recommend to flour it a bit so the croissant don't stick. But that's what I'm about to do. So that is that. Now we're gonna add the chicken in the. Ooh, this smells so good. now we are going, it was supposed to be a little bit wider, so as you can see I had to tuck it under a little bit, but inside had to be a little bit wider. I would say put like a bowl in the center of it to measure it, to get a good measurement of it. But all in all, everything is good. So we're gonna bake this at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius at 25 minutes, and then we'll be ready to have our food.